How to fix Telegram notification not working. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if your Telegram's notification are not working, then what you can do is, first of all, check that your phone's do not disturb is turned off or not. So as you can see, it's turned off over here on my device. The next thing you can do is go to settings, then go to notification, then search for Telegram. After you do that, as you can see, notifications are allowed on Telegram. So if it's not allowed, then you can simply allow it from the top of your phone. Then the next thing you can do is go to Telegram, then go to settings from the bottom of the page. After you do that, go to notifications. Then you can simply toggle all the options on for private chats, groups and channels. So if they are turned off, simply toggle them back on. So if you do all these things, then your notification problems might be fixed. So this is how you can fix notification problem on Telegram. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next one.